Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locating the decimal point and the first non-zero digit. This tells you how to move. Move the decimal so there is exactly one non-zero digit to the left, like 3, 2 or 7, 0, 5. Count how many places you shifted. That count becomes the exponent. If you move the decimal left, the exponent is positive. If right, the exponent is negative. Once done, write the number as that single-digit portion times 10 to the exponent. Now craft the mantissa, the single non-zero digit followed by the remaining digits after the decimal, and lock its significant figures. Next, combine it with 10 raised to the exponent you counted earlier. That exponent records how many places the decimal moved and its direction. Make sure you remove unnecessary trailing zeros that are not significant, but preserve measured precision. Once assembled, double-check that the mantissa is between 1 and 999, to ensure valid scientific notation. Finish by verifying. Mentally or with a calculator, multiply the mantissa by 10 to the exponent and compare to the original number. If they differ, recount the decimal moves and confirm the exponent sign. Left moves give positive exponents, right moves give negative. For 0, scientific notation is 0 times 10 0 or simply 0. For negatives, include the negative sign on the mantissa. If rounding caused a mismatch, increase significant figures and repeat verification.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.